Hi. I've been living in a bit of a secret world since January. For 13 weeks, I've been training in silence, and honestly, I needed that time to just focus on myself and this journey without any outside noise. But I'm exactly 30 days out from the NPC Legion Sports Fest in Reno on May 30th, and it's time to share what's been happening. I'm doing this fully natural because wellness is a huge part of my life, and I want to see what my own hard work can achieve. As someone who has navigated eating disorder recovery, this is about so much more than a bikini. It's about stepping into my own power and finally reclaiming my strength. Let's talk about achievements so far, because that's what it's all about. Growth. I decided in January, after I received the opportunity to be trained for a bodybuilding show, to go on that journey and participate in my first ever bodybuilding show. I either overthink or I do things spontaneously. There is no balance, okay? But I know that I always love to push myself out of my comfort zone to find growth and to collect new experiences and expand my knowledge. I always love challenging myself anyway, especially regarding working out and wellness, because that's just what I'm passionate about. So in January, I started this journey. I started at 70 kilos, and this morning I weighed in at 62.5. Also, just for a little reference, I'm 5'7", so 174, and my body weight started at 28.9%. And this morning my body fat was at 16.3, subcutaneous fat is 14.8. But even though I have the data right in front of me, I still sometimes don't see my progress. My coach actually helped me overcome that a little bit by making me pull up my first ever picture that I took starting this journey after the first week and comparing it to the most recent one. So that's when I first actually saw difference and change in my body, and it made me feel a bit better. But at the same time, it also triggered the same night a snack attack, because my brain was like, oh, okay, so we achieved this, we're good now. No, the journey is still going. But seeing that difference reminded me that food is fuel, and I'm actually doing this. Life has definitely been testing my discipline lately. I had the privilege of enjoying lots of free time since I left my job in January, so I was able to fully focus on my bodybuilding journey. I did just sign a new contract with a firm I absolutely adore, and I get to do something I am deeply passionate about, but getting my 14,000 daily steps in while also working out, working my desk job, and making sure my dog's needs are met, that's been a new challenge. Finding a new rhythm has been my latest test. So currently I will get up early. I'm trying to get up around 5:30 or 6, depending on when I have to be at work. I currently don't have like an actual regular schedule yet, but I will start the day with 45 minutes of fast and cardio, or depending on Or I start the day with my workout already and then do cardio in the evening and making sure I get the rest of my steps in. My first day here already was a little bit of a struggle though, because my schedule was so uncertain. I did not bring any food. I gave in to office snacks. And then my coworkers asked me out for dinner to get to know me better. And of course I had to say yes. Logged immediately back in the next day because missteps happen. We're all humans. There's no perfect journey, but it's about showing up for yourself, getting back on track, and just not giving up. But yes, I am definitely tired and exhausted. So I recently received my shoes, jewelry, and bikini. And bodybuilding is an expensive hobby. Most of the things that I can do myself, I will do myself, including my makeup and my hair. I will get a spray tan there. My suit is a stunning purple. I actually sent a picture to my girlfriend recently, and she said that I would look like a mermaid. So that's fully what I'm leaning into. And I will be practicing doing my own makeup and hair soon. I'm actually doing a tutorial by Reno. I love her, she's really fantastic. She also has great posing tutorials. Her posing tutorial actually made the stage seem way less scary for me. I also have to completely learn how to walk in heels because I've never done it before and I'm naturally not very elegant. When I went to go attend my first posing class, I actually left early before it even started because I had a full-blown panic attack. Walking into the professional gym and seeing all those incredibly lean and strong people gave me such anxiety, but I'm not letting it keep me down. I'm actually going to my next posing class tomorrow. It is hosted by Bruna Seredish. She is a local bodybuilder here and I've met her in the previous class as well. I shared a little bit about why I was unable to attend and asked when the next class would be. So luckily it is before my show, it is tomorrow. I will not let fear win this time.
So not only did I actually participate in the class this time, which makes me so proud, but I also learned a lot and I even won in the giveaway. So that was immediately the universe confirming, good thing you went there, trust your gut, try something new and get surprised.
For anyone else considering a true novice journey, here's a little breakdown of the costs. So what you're gonna pay for is the NPC membership, the show registration, the suit, the heels, the jewelry, potentially hair and makeup. You have the tan as well. So if there's a drive or travel, you of course have gas costs or airplane ticket costs, hotel potentially. If you're not bringing your own food, which I believe you might because you're going to be in peak week, so it's very important you stick with your macros. And yes, it is an investment, but the biggest prize is the person that you become through the discipline of it all. If you're scared to start something new, just do it. Stepping out of your comfort zone is where the magic happens. I'm gonna take you along as much as I can through the last 30 days of my journey to my first bodybuilding show, so definitely make sure to subscribe so you don't miss anything. Leave a comment below with any questions you might have. I'm happy to answer them. I'm actually planning on doing a little Q&A because I've already received a few questions from the people I've shared it with. So make sure to add yours below so I can answer that as well as good as I can. Otherwise, let me know what a goal is that you're currently working towards. What the f. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you and I will see you in the next video.